Hi guys, welcome to Happy Smash. Today we're gonna look and guess what's in this squishy.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna open it though. We're just gonna guess what's in it. Okay? And a lot of them are really, really cool around here. Alrighty, let's
Nothing. Okay, let's start out with this one. It has like air stuff right here. And there's like a light up bulb. Side. And you can probably see it. There it is.
Okay.
10 out of 10. I mean 9 out of
9. Okay, let's go
9
in
out of
9.
9.
Let's go in the lower than 10 pile. This is the higher than 10 or 10 pile.
Ready? Whoa! This
Okay,
is
okay.
so cool, guys.
Okay, guys. So guys, ready?
That might be like.
No. I need to. Ready, guys? Okay, so when you pop this up, do you guys think it's sand or sand mixed with another type of thing? I think it's sand mixed.
Mixed
Powdered sugar.
Sand mixed with powdered sugar.
Oh yeah.
And this is like a 1 out of 1. So.
Why?
I think this
2
one-
out of 2. 2 out of 1.
Yeah, 2 out of 1.
It's just, we can't even know what's in it. Even if it's not powdered sugar, then what do you guys think it is? Slime?
You should cut it open tomorrow. I don't know. If you don't want to cut it open, then we can.
Alrighty, next one.
Is
We have to do both of them.
Is,
First, we're going to do
two-
the red one.
2
First,
eggs.
we're going to do the red
It's
one.
like 2 eggs. 2
And
eggs.
there are sugar, kinda. Look.
Like kind of
Barely.
sugar. Yeah, barely even sugar. And you can't squish them like this. Or else they would pop open.
Yeah, that's what I did last night. The person who gave it to me, I showed them and it broke. Like I did that and then it broke.
Wait, last night?
Okay, and then that's really cool. Okay, so both of them have to get the same number. No. Guess his number.
9 out of 9.
9. Okay, these are less.
Well, look at this thing,
This
guys.
is way less. Okay, but first one we need to count how much there are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep. Okay, guys, this is like a squishy with poison.
Oh! I'm sorry.
This is like a squishy with poison inside. And like,
Poison.
yeah, poison.
Well,
that's easy
it's
to
not
get.
poison. It's just a type of material that's not good for you to touch. Anyway,
You can't touch it. It'll get,
it's like creamy.
yeah, creamy stuff. Poison cream stuff.
It looks like that type of thing that Dr. Squish had. Remember? She had a moldy one. She had one with mold on it a long time ago.
Okay,
I saw it. This one doesn't have mold because it's brand new.
wait.
All
How
right.
much is that?
Whatever you think. It has to be higher than 10. How about Owen? How about this? How about this one's higher than 10 because it's really, really cool. Because it just does that a lot. Okay. So what's this one?
I guess it's 5 out of 5.
Wow, there's only squishies in here so far. Okay. Next one.
This one.
Is ready? Orange. Ready? I'm dancing like the orange people. Dancing like the orange people. Look at that. It turns pink.
So this one might be.
And there's glitter. Glitter inside.
15.
Glitter and water.
This one might be like a 15 out of
10.
10.
Ooh. Okay, we're going in that one. It's going in the older than 10 pile. Okay, let's start out with this mushroom.
This is like creamy shaving cream.
Yeah,
stuff.
it is the exact stuff that's in this one.
It makes a sound.
Okay. Ooh la la, fancy
That
nothing.
might be like a 20 out of 10.
Ooh. Okay.
Now this is like a sugar squishy that has eyeballs and it's the funniest one. And when you stretch it, it's like blah blah blah.
Okay, I know. Watch. Ready? Boom. That thing hurts. Boo-hoo. Oh, and what's this one? It's a sugar chick.
I wonder what it is. I guess it's like a funny out of funny. Wait, is it? It's like
Funny out of funny.
It's like smiley face. Wait, no. It's actually
Star out of star.
star out of star, which that means
Star out of
probably-
star.
Probably the winner. I don't know.
star. In the trash.
In the trash it goes.
In the trash it
Now
goes.
this thing, you can like do this. Shred, shred, shred it up. Now let's do this. Shred, shred, shred it up. Now let's do this.
No, watch one. Can you film it for like a minute? No. Well, just while I need to do this real quick. Hey guys, what are you doing tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. I'm so excited to see it.
And subscribe to this video.
Subscribe is my favorite. Is this one star out of star or is it a real number?
It's a real number.
What is it?
100 out of 100.
Yeah!
Okay, now.
Guys, starting in these videos, we're going to start to be really funny. Because are you going to help out in every video from now on? Are you going to help out from every single video from now on? I think so. And this guy, Mr. Owen from Big O's Legos, he thinks that he is going to help out in the videos every time. And that's what makes it the funniest. So, okay, last one. Tell me, Owen.
Oh,
What? It's a Chiefs squishy.
do you guys know what the Chiefs is?
No, say what they're little.
Do you know what the Kansas City Chiefs is? They live at Kansas and they're the Chiefs and they're a football team. If you don't know what football is, and this is
You're in trouble.
yeah, you're in trouble, I'm gonna delete your guys' video of this.
No,
If
Owen.
you just kidding.
No,
So,
because maybe some of you don't have videos yet. No, he will not let you. He won't let you watch any more of Happy Smiles.
yeah, that's true. Now this is like
Well, you don't have to know what the Chiefs are, but you do have to.
yeah. You need to watch this video every day and look.
So you can know what the football is.
Yeah.
Talk about. So we need to name them all NFL teams
Okay.
right now. Okay, so I'll pull out one and you need to name it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Addie, so this one is like the 49ers name.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
No. What? Wait, can you go look in your room? Look, I can see what team. Bears or something? What is it? Bengals? Bears. Oh, close the door. Oh, just say the Bengals. Okay? This is the Bengals one person's. Yeah, Bengals. The Bengals. Babadoo, 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 babadoo. Okay. Babadoo. Oh, I already know what this one is. Do you? Chargers, Rams, whatever, both. Okay. Ooh, I love Fancy Nancy. Yeah. Ooh, I love Fancy Nancy. Boom, shakalaka. I said boom, shakalaka. Alrighty, now we had. What is it one? Oh yes, it's a pink team. This one is. I don't know. Anyway, we don't have time to do the rest. These ones are both the Chiefs. No, but mostly the red one is, and the orange one is a Bears or something like that, or Broncos or something. Okay, but we're gonna say that I'm gonna wanna. Okay, so which one is your favorite all through all of them? And even if you like this one, then you have to act like both of them because they're both the same thing. Okay, so. If you love these on Happy Smiles, give a thumbs up every single day. Done. And make sure to subscribe on Happy Smiles. We will grow every day. If you don't watch this video, you won't grow every day. And you need to subscribe every single video watch. And bye.